This video will show you how to do a standalone installation on a Mac computer. A standalone installation is done with a single user node locked license, and it means that the software and license will be installed on one computer and will not be shared on a network. This video is also applicable if you are upgrading to a new version of Thermocalc, as the new version will install alongside the old version. If you are on a network license or Linux operating system, view the installation guides on our website. If you are on a Windows operating system or installing the free educational package, view our video library to find the correct video. The first step in this process is to download your license file. You should have received an email with the license file, which is called lservrc. If you do not already have your license file, skip ahead to Step 2 in this video and install Xquartz and Thermocalc as instructed, then view our video Requesting and Placing a License File. If you already have a license file, go to your email and download it to a suitable folder. The destination should be somewhere you can easily remember and where you can store the file long-term. Write down or remember this location, as you will need it later. The second step is to install the Mac installer, Xquartz. Xquartz can be installed before or after you install Thermocalc, but in this video, I'll install it first. If you already have Xquartz installed, skip to Step 3. To download Xquartz, open a web browser and search for Xquartz. You can download it directly from the Xquartz website or from macupdate.com. Download the most current version. You can pause this video while the software is downloading. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where your computer saved the downloaded file. Double-click on the file to begin the installation. An installer will open. Follow the instructions to install the software. You can pause this video while you install the software. Once the installation is complete, click Close on the dialog box. Xquartz is now installed and will run automatically when needed. If the program recommends you restart your computer, do that now. You are now ready to install Thermocalc software. You should have received an email with a password-protected link. It may have come from Thermocalc software or from someone within your organization. Write down or remember the username. Copy the password. Then click on the link. When prompted, type in the username. Paste the password. Then click Sign In. You will be taken to a page that includes the software download files for Linux, Mac, and Windows operating systems. There will also be links to the installation guides if you would like to use one. To download the software, click on the link that corresponds to your operating system. In this video, I will select Mac. The software will begin downloading immediately. You can pause this video while the software downloads. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where your computer saved the downloaded file. Double-click on the file to begin the installation. If a security box appears asking if you are sure you want to open the file, click Open. If you are prompted to sign in as administrator to allow Thermocalc to make changes, do so. Then click OK to continue. If you do not know the sign-in credentials, it may be because you do not have administrator rights on your computer. If so, speak to your system administrator. Once you approve the installation, the Thermocalc Setup Wizard will appear, which will guide us through the installation process. In the Setup window, click Next. Read through the agreement. Then select I accept the agreement and click Next again. Now we must choose what type of installation to do. Since this is a standalone license video, select Full Standalone, Install All Features. This will install all modules, databases, and SDKs, so you can choose this no matter what is included in your license. If you want to exclude components of the installation, you could choose to do a custom installation, but I will not cover that in this video. Here, we also map the software to the license file that we downloaded at the beginning of this video. Click on the button to the right of the text field and navigate to where you saved your license file, called lserv-rc. Click on the license file, then click Open. If you do not already have your license file, leave this field blank. You can copy your license file to the necessary folder location after the software has been installed, using the video, Requesting and Placing a License File. Click Next. This window is a reminder for users who have TC Python that additional installation procedures are required after ThermoCalc is installed. If you have a license for TC Python, you should read through the TC Python installation instructions or watch the TC Python installation video after the ThermoCalc installation is complete. Click Next. The setup is now ready to begin installing, so click Next to run the installation. You can pause this video while the installation runs. Once the installation is done, click Finish. Your software is now installed on your computer. To find the software, open the Launchpad from your toolbar, and you should find ThermoCalc at the end of the list of programs. You can also find the software in the Finder, Applications. To use the software, simply double-click on the shortcut, and the program will open. We have included several resources to help you get started using ThermoCalc right on the home screen. For instance, we have a Getting Started guide, which you can access by clicking the Getting Started guide icon. We have also included many example calculations with your installation, which you can access from the Example Files icon. Many of these examples use demo databases, so they can be run by anyone who has a license for ThermoCalc, regardless of which databases you have. Many videos are also available to help you learn how to use the software. From the home screen, select Video Tutorials. You will be taken to our website where you will find a Getting Started video, as well as many example tutorials that correspond to the examples included in your software. We hope you enjoy using ThermoCalc software. Don't forget to press the like button, and feel free to leave a comment about the type of video you'd like to see next. We are constantly working to create new examples, so make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. You can watch all of our videos at thermocalc.com in the Video Tutorials section.